Victorious Boxman!
Hello, this is Mark from the Yukon boys, and today we're doing a box battle.
Box battle! Here we go! Mark loves doing creations and crafts out of boxes, and since Canada Post is now off strike, yesterday we got 2 big boxes from Christmas presents, and he made some looks like somewhat medieval creations here.
Medieval?
Yeah, like knights and warriors.
Okay, I have 2 superheroes.
2 superheroes.
That I acted. One is Green Boy. Well, green goggles.
Okay.
This is Boxman.
Boxman. Sorry, my bad. This is
Green
Boxman.
Boy is Boxman's sidekick.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, Boxman has some armor there. It goes in like that. Awesome. There you go. You can see there. Oh, got the muscles. All right. What do you got too? You got a sword? Sword/spear? Kind of. And
Shield.
awesome
Battle
shield.
scars.
Battle scars. And this is your opponent, the test dummy.
How many Yes, test dummy. Test dummy, not
test dummy.
battle opponent.
A battle opponent. He's definitely your opponent because you're gonna chop him. All right, I'm ready. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, one arm,
Yeah. Yeah.
another arm. What's next? Oh, his head's gone.
His helmet.
Helmet. Oh, okay, his head's still. Oh yeah, I guess he's smiling there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, he's dead. Victorious Boxman. Well done.
Thanks.
Only one thing left to do.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Hit that bell. See you next time.
Yay.